swear are gonna be their wives. They'll be gone by the winter time, and they don't wanna bother with no friend of mine. We're hot American nights, shaking body dry on a coastline. We're hot American nights. We snuck our forks to the shore and drank a bottle bone dry. We snuck our forks to the shore and drank a bottle bone dry. Davey got back from his first tour. He ain't the same boy that he was before. 20's too young to nearly die. American boys are a friend of mine.
The channel, guys, we are in Florida for the Freedom 500 / Burnout Rivals. Freedom 500 was last night, and we are just pulling in the gates right now. We are going to get Helen all loaded and get all set up to do some burnouts today. So we'll check in with you a little bit later. So it looks like it's the same pad layout as last event here at the Freedom Factory in November. I don't want to get too close. It looks like they're doing something for Cletus's birthday. It's his birthday weekend this weekend, so it looks like they're trying to do some secret deal. Seth, turn that raggedy big block off.
I'm not crying, you're crying.
Shut that big block off, Jesus Christ. A little methanol in there, huh?
Nope.
What do you think?
The best.
You like it?
Can I have Sharky?
No, what do you think of it?
Sharky wants a picture.
You want to put your shark in there with it?
Yep.
What do you think? Does he know how to drive?
Of course I do. Yeah, you drive. It's hard to get out. Ow.
Thank you so much.
No worries. You all right? What do you think?
I loved it.
You want to get one?
Maybe?
Maybe.
There we go, That tire is so popped, it rolled out of here and said, see you later. Another 2 tires popped out here, boys and girls.
There you go, brother. There you go. Clean burnout. I mean, there's not even a bead on the wheel, brother. I like it. Old Helen just does it every time for you, huh?
I'm gonna go home and cry. I just shot a rod out the bottom of my billet dry sump oil pan.
Yep, you got a lot of oil down there. Well, I mean, at least you pop the tires first.
That's true.
All right. Well, we're gonna have a little bit of cleanup here for a second, and then we'll get right back into the action. I mean, great burnout. Great burnout.
Alright guys, bad news, very bad news. I decided to spit my guys on belt.
Aussies does good
And yeah, no oil pressure. And my ignorance, I did not have an oil pressure safety switch to shut the motor off. That's my fault. So it just ruined a very expensive motor. I'm pretty disappointed. We're gonna watch the rest of the night and pray that we got some place to start to try and put some money into this thing, because this is a brand new motor. So all my fault.
CPK Ripper Ski Floors out here. The Freedom Factor.
Not ideal. Oh, I got my shades on. Oh my god, I didn't realize I had my sunglasses. These are prescription. Well, not what we wanted. We got third place though. Third place in pro. I'm pretty proud of that. We definitely would have placed, I think we would have at least placed one position higher if we had the belt on this thing, but unfortunately we lost the belt again, and we expired the motor. Not good. It's gonna be super expensive. I don't really know what I'm gonna do to replace it, but we're gonna figure something out. I don't know. Pretty disheartening after such a good run. It was honestly the best run I've ever had. So we'll figure it out though. It's part of it, and luckily I work for the best engine shop in the whole country. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing fixed up. Schmader. Thank you. He said, "Fuck this, I'm out of here, dude."
Wet, hot American nights. We snuck our forks to the shore and drank a bottle bone dry. We snuck our forks to the shore and drank a